Hey besties! Summer break is all fun, sleeping in late, binge-watching shows, and forgetting what day it even is. But now, the new school year is knocking on the door. New class, new opportunities, and a whole new chance for your glow-up today. I'll share the ultimate prep guide so you walk into school feeling confident, organized, and stress-free. You don't need to buy everything new, just the essentials. Get notebooks, a binder or folder, and your everyday tools like pens, highlighters, and sticky notes. If your backpack or pencil case is still in good condition, just clean and reuse them. It's budget-friendly and aesthetic. And don't forget, set up your study desk with cute stationery so it feels like a space you want to sit at. A clean space, a clear mind. Take out everything from your school bag, wash it if needed, and declutter your pencil case. At home, organize your study corner. Clear off summer junk, add soft lighting or a little decor, and make it cozy. Also, clean your phone. Delete old screenshots, unused apps, and organize your school files. That fresh feeling will instantly motivate you. Morning chaos is real when you don't know what to wear. So a week before school, organize your closet and pick outfits for the first few days. If you wear uniforms, make sure they're clean and ready. Lay out accessories like hair ties, clips, or scrunchies so you're not hunting for them last minute. And if you want a haircut or a fresh look, do it a few days before school starts so you're confident on day one. Trust me, getting a head start makes such a difference. Review your syllabus if you have one, skim through last year's notes, or even watch a quick YouTube video to refresh tricky topics. Create a cute little planner system. Write down assignments, deadlines, or exam dates. Even 10-15 minutes of prep each day now will save you from stress later. Late night scrolling was fun in summer, but school mornings are a whole different story. Start fixing your sleep routine a few days before school. Go to bed earlier step by step, and wake up at the same time you'll need for school. Pack your bag and prep your outfit the night before. Future you will thank you. Stock up on healthy snacks so you're not stuck with vending machine food. Keep hygiene must-haves in your bag, sanitizer, tissues, deodorant, and pads if you need them. And most importantly, don't skip breakfast. A little care for your body makes you feel confident inside and out. Think of this year as a reset button. Whatever happened last year, leave it behind. This is your chance to start fresh. Set small goals, like joining a club, improving grades, or making one new friend. You can even make a vision board or change your phone wallpaper into something motivational. Little reminders can keep you inspired all year long. And that's your back-to-school prep, ready to step into class, cute, organized, and confident. What's your glow-up goal this year? Drop it in the comments, like, and subscribe for more girly aesthetic tips. See you in the next one.